Hello guys, welcome to Megabytes. I'm Freddy and today we are gonna talk about gimbal. Not any gimbal, we're gonna be talking about the Wimble 2 by Feiyu-Tech. This is a low-end gimbal. It's a cheap one for your phone and it's easy to get your hands on. So first of all, we're gonna have a look at the case you get it in, which is a really nice case actually with some styrofoam-ish packaging, sturdy as hell. I've been running around with this, testing it out a bit, and the test I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be with me first time using this for real, and we're running two ATVs out in the bush, and I'm recording my friend driving his ATV, and this is the first real recording we do of this gimbal. Let's put it this way, the gimbal did his job, I didn't. Now we're going to take a look at the gimbal. So what do you get? You get, of course, the gimbal, and you get the wrist strap to make sure you don't drop it, and you get a charger cable for your gimbal, which is a normal USB, and you get an assortment of charger cables for your phone that you can connect to the gimbal on the side, and you can charge your phone as you go. The sweet thing about this gimbal is, first of all, you can do horizontal mode and you can do vertical mode. So it's perfect for not only if you're running around like I do, running ATVs around in the woods. You can use it as a vlogger if you're using, I don't know, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, or something like that. And you have an extension telescopic arm, which is made of metal, makes it real sturdy, which extends about 7 inches, 18 centimeters. And you got the screw for a tripod that you get, which is a standard 1/4 inch screw, which you have on your camera tripods and gorillas, stuff like that, which makes this even better. You can operate it even if you're alone using the tripod or a gorilla or a camera stand and get real nice shots. So first of all, it's kind of nice looking. It's nothing too extravagant. It's a gray. It comes in pink and white as well, but I got the gray. The grip is really nice. The controllers on it makes it extremely good. First of all, you got your zoom. You can zoom your phone in and out with your thumb when you're filming. You got the joystick here where you can control your gimbals every direction, which makes it really good when you're chasing someone. You can do some manual adjustments. You got your on and off button. You got your picture and video recording button. With the on and off button, you can tap it to go between the different modes, and you got the trigger on the back where you can lock the gimbal in place if you have to move or switch around somewhere and not disrupt your shot. It comes with an app that you download to your phone. It works on iOS and Android. It's easy to use, and you get all your settings real easy on the screen. Click and make the adjustments you want, like the motor strength. Depending on if you have a heavy phone like the Samsung 10 or the iPhone X, you can make it stronger, and you can switch the smoothness of the movements. Also depending on the weight, and you can make it do a 360 shot if you have mounted it to a tripod or a gorilla. Make great looking 360 or 180 pictures, and it also does time lapse. So the battery life is about 5 hours, which is not great, but at this price point it is. Most higher ends are 12-18 hours battery life, but they're much more expensive. So for the price, it's awesome. So it weighs 430 grams, and on max extension, it's 11 inches or 29 centimeters. So the stability and the tracking of this gimbal that has face tracking and object tracking is up to par with expensive gimbals, and in some ways even beyond. We tried out the GoPro as well, the GoPro Gimbal, and that isn't really that smooth to work with. So as I said, we did an ATV run to out in the fields, and we didn't do any pre-runs. So because we wanted to survive the noob test, see if, I mean, the more you use it, the better you're gonna get with it. I wanted it to show it how good this. So I'm gonna show you the video of me running the gimbal with the ATV, and hope you enjoy it, hope you like it. So all in all, this is, in my mind, a great gimbal. I can certainly recommend you buying it, and I'm gonna post a link down below where you can buy it if you like, or maybe another gimbal. Check that out if you're in the market of a gimbal. So the pricing, it's $89 on Amazon right now, so that's less than $100. That's cheap for a gimbal in this class. So well done, Feiyu-Tech. Great gimbal, and we're gonna enjoy it a whole lot more. So that's gonna be it for this video. The gimbal from Feiyu-Tech, the Vimble 2, awesome gimbal for phones. Check it out in the link down below, and hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let me know what you think about gimbals down below.